Boom! So yung puro what's up in universe mga ka-4pegs, puro BMX na. So yung puro at I would like to take this opportunity para i-plug yung aking bagong Facebook page which is Puro BMX. So ito yung kanyang pangalan sa FB, you can follow, no? Meron tayong mga BMX mga videos and then stories and then parts kung ano basta tungkol sa BMX and bikes na merong pedals, no? And then back to our video for tonight. Yes, for tonight's video. Ayun, nagbabaw na ako ng tubig, so pangalawang gabi ko na dito. And tawhay, no? Tawhay meaning peaceful, no? Peaceful dito, tahimik. And then unlimited light, no? Right now it's a Project 540 tire top. Nung isang gabi, no, nag-try ako mag-pivot 360. Naalala ko, no, yung mga past videos ko, yung mga luma-lumang videos ko, no, nag-practice pala ako mag 540 tire top. So bakit natin hindi tapusin, no, yung sinimulan? So 540 tire top for tonight. Sana makalan tayo kahit isa. So let's go. Let's proceed to our quest. Ganun muna tayo. Pivot 360 tire top 3. So yung puro day 2 guys, day 2, i-document natin ngayon ang ating progression 540 tire top. Damn it guys, it's raining. It's slippery as you can see my front tire. lift. And so yun po, no, silong muna tayo sa trike. Damn it. So there you have it. The rain is pouring and my sweat too. Yeah, some nipple action. So there you have it, day 2. I made a lot of improvements and I hope to land it in day 3 the next time. So I need some shelter. So yung po, no, right now we're back again, day 3. Yes, day 3 na, pangatlong araw na natin gagawin. I-attempt itong 540 tire top and I hope we can land this today, no, for today's video. Sana matapos na yung ating 540 tire top saga. At marami-rami rin akong na-inland na 540 pero hindi ko lang siya makompleto, no. And right now, yes, nandito naman tayo sa court dito sa Himamaylan City Hall, no? Sa likod lang tayo. Sa likod lang tayo ng City Hall, ang ating City Hall. Yes. So yun po, no? And let's do this. Wala nang paligoy-ligoy pa. Manual check. Okay. Ah, shit. Grabe. Wala pa rin ako na land. Boom! So yung po, no, nakaisa ang tito nyo and I'll try to do another one, no, habang nararamdaman ko pa yung ano, ganun pala dapat yung landing natin is level, tapos yung body weight pa atras sa ano, sa likuran. So ulitin natin, no. I hope makaland pa tayo isa para hindi chamba. Boom! So yung po, no, we have unlocked the 540 tire top and that's all for today and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. 540 unlock. 540 tire top pala.